You don't get what you want from women because you're trying to. Most men think it's about effort, saying the right things, proving themselves. It's not. The moment she feels like you need something from her, you've already lost. Because women don't respond to effort. They respond to presence, to certainty, to a man who doesn't need the outcome. In this video, I'll show you the shift that changes everything. So instead of chasing, you start attracting. And once you see it, you don't go back. Most men don't lose because they're not good enough. They lose because they don't understand where the power actually is. Every time you ask a woman for something, you're putting her in the position to judge you. Do you want to hang out? Can I take you out? Are you free this weekend? Sounds normal. Right. But underneath those words, you're sending a message, she decides, and you wait. And the moment you wait for approval, you've already lowered your value. Think about it. The men women are naturally drawn to are never the ones asking for permission. They move with certainty. They make decisions. They lead. Not because they're arrogant, but because they don't see her as someone above them. Here's the shift. Stop asking, start stating. I'm checking out this place Friday. Come with me. Feel the difference. You're no longer seeking validation. You're setting the frame. And when you do that, everything begins to change. Here's where most men get it wrong. They think attraction is about what they do, how much effort they put in, how nice they are, how much they give. But that's not what women respond to. They respond to your frame. Your frame is how you carry yourself in the interaction. It's the unspoken message behind everything you say and do. Are you seeking approval, or are you already certain of your value? Because a man can say all the right things, but if his energy feels unsure, needy, or trying too hard, she feels it instantly, and attraction disappears. On the other hand, a man who is calm, grounded, and clear in his direction doesn't need perfect words. His presence does the work for him. That's what female psychology really responds to. Not effort, not logic, but certainty. So the real question isn't, what should I say to get what I want? It's this, who am I being when I say it? Because that is where the power actually is. If you're talking to women the same way you talk to your friends, you're already losing. Because women don't connect through logic. They connect through emotion. Most men try to impress with facts. I have a good job. I'm a nice guy. We have a lot in common. But none of that creates attraction. It's predictable, safe, and forgettable. Attraction lives in something else. Tension, curiosity, a little bit of uncertainty. Instead of asking boring questions, you create intrigue. You seem like trouble, but the quiet kind. Now she feels something. Now she has to respond. That's the difference. You're not just talking, you're pulling her into an experience. And here's the key most men miss. The more predictable you are, the faster she loses interest. But when she can't fully figure you out, when there's just enough mystery, she leans in, because emotion keeps her engaged. And emotion is what makes her stay. If you're talking to women the same way you talk to your friends, you're already losing. Because women don't connect through logic. They connect through emotion. Most men try to impress with facts. I have a good job. I'm a nice guy. We have a lot in common. But none of that creates attraction. It's predictable, safe, and forgettable. Attraction lives in something else. Tension, curiosity, a little bit of uncertainty. Instead of asking boring questions, you create intrigue. You seem like trouble, but the quiet kind. Now she feels something. Now she has to respond. That's the difference. You're not just talking, you're pulling her into an experience. And here's the key most men miss. The more predictable you are, the faster she loses interest. But when she can't fully figure you out, when there's just enough mystery, she leans in, because emotion keeps her engaged. And emotion is what makes her stay. This is the shift that changes everything. Most men focus on getting. getting her attention, getting her time, getting her interest. But the more you try to take, the less she wants to give. Because attraction doesn't grow from what you give her, it grows from what she invests in you. Read that again. Women value what they earn, not what they receive for free. That's why the guy who overgives, compliments too much, is always available, gets ignored. But the man who gives just enough, who makes her lean in, who lets her come toward him, becomes the one she chases. So, instead of asking for attention, you reward it. When she invests, you meet her energy. When she pulls back, you don't chase. You create space. And in that space, she starts to feel something she can't ignore. The possibility of losing you. That's what shifts the dynamic. You're no longer trying to get something from her. You become the man she doesn't want to lose. Here's the part most men don't want to hear. You don't have to say you're needy. She can feel it. In the way you check your phone, in how fast you reply, in that second message you send when she hasn't answered. It's subtle, but it's loud. Because the moment you need a response, need her attention, need her to choose you, you give up your power. And she feels it instantly. That's why the more you try to hold on, the more she pulls away. Not because she's playing games, but because neediness creates pressure, and pressure kills attraction. Now flip it. When you're grounded, when you're not attached to the outcome, when your life doesn't revolve around her response, everything changes. You're calmer, sharper, more in control, and suddenly, she's the one wondering where you went. Because the man who doesn't need her is the one she can't ignore. At this point, you understand the game. But here's the truth. Most men will still fail. Not because they don't know what to do, but because they can't control themselves when it matters. So here's the rule. If she pulls away once, you mirror her energy. No chasing. No explaining. No trying to fix it. You step back. If she pulls away twice, you're done. Because a woman who truly values you will not make you question your position in her life. And this is where most men break. They understand this logic, but when emotions kick in, they ignore it. They text again. They try harder. They negotiate for attention. And in that moment, they lose everything. Because attraction requires discipline. It requires the ability to walk away, even when you don't want to. And once you reach that level, you stop being the man who hopes to be chosen. You become the man she's afraid to lose. Now you get it. It's not about trying harder. It's about who you are when it matters. The moment you stop chasing, stop needing, stop asking, everything shifts. You don't lose her. You stop losing yourself. And that's when she starts paying attention. If this changed your perspective, hit subscribe, like the video, and share it with someone who still doesn't see this. And comment below what's one mistake you know you've been making, because once you see it, you don't go back.